Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get free CapCut Pro Edition, Pro version. So first thing to do, you can download and install. If you don't have it, you can visit CapCut.com, CapCut official website, and you can click download for free. After you download and install it on your PC, you can try to open now. Double click the CapCut. Here, this is still a free version, and here there is in the bottom corner there is like advertise, and here you can click it. Get rewards by inviting new users. So basically you can get a free Pro Edition by invite your friends to download and install CapCut on their PC or laptop. For each friend that install and launches CapCut desktop from your invite link, you will both get a 7-day free Pro, and you can enjoy Pro benefits on both CapCut mobile and desktop version, and you can get up to 70 days of free Pro by inviting 10 of your friends. No credit cards required and no auto renewal, so you can copy invite links and share into your social media and share into direct message of your friends, and make sure your friends install and launch CapCut in their PC. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So the next button below. See you in the next video.